Today, we're unpacking a headline maker, Michael Burry's bet against Palantir and Nvidia. Why would the investor famous for calling the housing crisis be shorting these two megastocks? Michael Burry is the founder of Cyan Asset Management, became famous for his early bet against the U.S. housing market before it crashed. This gives him a legacy as a contrarian who spots bubbles before they pop. Now he's making waves again with large put option positions on Palantir and Nvidia. According to regulatory filings for the third quarter of 2025, Cyan bought put options on roughly 5 million shares of Palantir and 1 million shares of Nvidia. In total, these bets represent around $1.1 billion of exposure against these two companies. This isn't a small hedge, it's a bold wager. So why does he think these stocks might fall? Burry seems to believe we're in an AI boom that mirrors past tech bubbles, huge expectations and valuations that may not be justified. For example, Palantir has traded at a very high price-to-earnings ratio relative to its revenue. Burry has also pointed out that some major tech companies might be understating the depreciation of their expensive hardware, which could be overstating their earnings. If the physical assets for AI infrastructure need to be replaced more often, the real costs are higher than the accounting reflects, squeezing future profits. Tying it all together, Burry is betting the AI boom is overextending itself. Why target Palantir and Nvidia specifically? Palantir is a data analytics and AI software company, but its valuation is extremely rich compared to its profit base. Burry may see it as especially exposed if AI enthusiasm stumbles. Nvidia is the dominant supplier of the hardware powering the AI revolution. But being central doesn't make it immune. If demand slows or competition ramps up, its premium valuation could shrink. By shorting both, Burry is covering two angles of the AI chain, the hardware backbone and the software application. Of course, this bet could go wrong. The market's momentum could continue, and if Palantir and Nvidia keep delivering strong results, the stocks could keep climbing. Plus, put options expire. If the fall doesn't happen in time, the bet loses money even if the core idea is eventually right. So what does this mean for you? First, check the valuation risk in your own portfolio. Are the prices of your stocks already factoring in perfection? Second, diversify. Even if you believe in the long-term AI story, it helps to limit your exposure to the hype. And finally, remember that timing matters. While you might not want to short these stocks just because Burry is, his move is a great reminder to think critically about your own exposure to hype, valuation, and sector risk. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives. Let me know in the comments, do you think the AI boom still has legs, or are we in a bubble? I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and invest smart.